3.5 liter Honda. It's in a Pilot, 4-wheel drive, experiencing intermittent power problems. No check engine light. You see, I removed a third catalytic converter that's not in. There's no O2 sensors on it. Loss of power, no check engine light. Just was a straight dog, wouldn't move. Looks okay. A little burnt, a little old. Flip it around, and it's a different story. Completely clogged. That's what you get with cheap China catalytic converters. If your local state law allows you to and you have no emissions, this catalytic converter is not monitored by the O2 system and therefore does not set a check engine light off if it's hollowed out. So pop it back in and everything's restored. It's back in. Let's go ahead and start the truck. You'll see. It's 168,755. Let's start it up and see if that check engine light comes on. Nope. No check engine light, nothing. As I said, that that catalytic converter is not monitored by O2 sensors. Let's see if we got the power back. Oh yeah. There it is. Before, it wouldn't go over 3,000 RPM and it would bog down. So if you're having power issues in a 3.5 Honda Pilot, Acura, whatever it's in, and it's got the third catalytic converter, check and see if it's clogged. That might be your problem.